Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm just in art lab mode today, and as you see there, I have just two colours of the PBO acrylic paints, and I have mixed those colours only with Floetrol, nothing else, no silicone, nothing. So I am just doing this cute little split canvas with a minimalistic two colours only, and then a base coat of only white. So it's just a quick little test to see if my base coat that I made a pouring medium up just with the white today and added a little bit of enamel paint into my white. So that is the white, and I added a little bit of enamel paint in there to see if I could get any kind of different reaction going in my pour. So it's just it was an art lab day and a little test, so let's see what happens. So here we go. This one is been about half an hour now since I did the pour, the video you've seen, and yeah, it's drying. It's gorgeous as it is, so it's just be interesting to see if more of that colour disappears and just leaves the kind of lacing. So it's very, very nice actually, on a really nice big one. It's not showing the true colours through this camera when I look at my particular piece and then look back through the camera. Not showing the true colours of it, so that's a shame. I'm in a garage and I've only got overhead fluoro lights, so don't seem to be doing it much justice. But anyway, I've given just something a little try, and it's actually quite gorgeous and I love it. So I hope you do too. It was just a quick one, and I'll certainly be back tomorrow. So you take care until tomorrow. Bye for now.